The house so far. That's the back. I have two bathrooms there in the middle to put windows in. The wood shuttering gone up with the steel, ready for concrete. Miss Mama. Hi Mama. She's shy.